Hello, I'm Mike from Music Radio Creative. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the best active noise cancelling headphones that are on sale right now. This video is not sponsored or gifted. I went out and bought these with my own money. I've been salivating over these JBL 650 BTNC active noise cancelling headphones for a while. In fact, since Vlogtober, you may have seen how I tried them on at Curry's PC World up in Tottenham Court Road, London. I also was taking a big look at them at JBL Fest. They were deeply discounted there, but I'm glad I waited because today, and I don't know how much longer it's going to go on for, these are the best price I've ever seen them, and they are fantastic. Let me tell you why. First of all, I'm going to unbox the headphones, so take them out of their sleeve there, and they just come in a really nice package. So headphones are headphones, right? Well, not really. I've had these workhorses now for 3 or 4 years. These are the Beats Solo 3, and they've served me well. They're fine, but when I stuck these on and did a comparison, I was blown away. And as you know, I like to wear professional headphones when I'm working in my studio. These are very much for me to take on planes, take traveling, edit audio when I'm on the move. And really, when I pull them out the box, they look like a premium set of studio headphones. They've even got the cups there that go over your ears and cover everything so you can block out all the noise. And that's good if you're on long flights or you've got noisy kids like me. Stick them on and switch on the active noise cancelling. So what else have we got inside the box? Well, there is a wonderful JBL colored orange USB charging cable, and you also get a fantastic, if you like to do the traditional thing, non-wireless, you can actually wire these up and you don't need to use the battery. Although on the box, JBL claim that these headphones last for up to 20 hours, which is huge. So any kind of long haul flight you can get through with this noise cancelling technology. So how do they feel on the head? Well, actually, surprisingly amazing and comfortable. I think I could get through a long flight with these headphones. They feel good. Not only do they feel good, but they look good as well. And like I say, earlier on, back in October, I did actually try these on at a store and I liked the way they felt. But the audio was everything for me. I got to try them and they sounded good. Of course, I would expect that from a company like JBL. You got the charging socket there, so you charge up until it's full. And then pairing with your phone with Bluetooth is super simple. You just flip it on like that. It starts off with a white flashing light and then it goes blue when it's in pairing mode, flashing blue, and solid blue when it's paired. I've already done the pairing thing. Pairing process is seamless. You just whip out your phone. It appears on your phone, actually gives you a ping and tells you can download the app, because you can also link these into Google Assistant, and a quick tap on the JBL logo on this, the left-hand side, is all you need to do. If you're confused as to which ear they should go on, there is a very clear left and right marker in the headphones, which is good. And there are a ton of buttons as well to do different things, plus and minus for increasing, decreasing audio. You've got play and pause. You can push and hold the volume buttons to skip tracks back and forth. You've got that traditional 3.5mm connection, Bluetooth button as well, and the ANC active noise cancelling on and off. And what I love to do with these headphones is actually pop them on, push the active noise cancelling. By the way, I can't hear anything with ANC on. Push the button on and off and hear the difference. I've tested these in a few environments. I've already tested this in a noisy car. Brilliant. You can play the audio at lower levels. And if you're concerned about your hearing, you certainly should look into noise cancelling headphones. Actually checked out the Tinnitus website for the UK. Amazing to see that they recommend using noise cancelling headphones to save your hearing and listen to audio longer. I was also surprised to see on that website that a baby crying is the same decibel level as a jackhammer. So saving your hearing in the process. Also playing this in a noisy environment with lots of loud music playing. You can't hear the music surrounding you, but you can hear very clearly your podcast or your music. So all in all, my thoughts on the JBL 650 BTNC, amazing. As I record and publish this video right now, they are on sale. I don't know how much longer that's going to last, so make sure to use the link in the description to my video. Go check out these headphones for yourself. And if you're in the market for a pair of new headphones that are going to serve you well, you're going to travel with them, they're going to cancel out noise, they're going to sound great, these, in my opinion, are the headphones for you. Enjoy it, and the other Black Friday deals that I'll do my best to bring to you as they come out here at Music Radio Creative.